Controversial Zimbabwean businessman Chivhayo is once again drawn public attention after appearing in a photograph alongside South African President Cyril Ramaphosa during a recent high-level visit. Sarabada Mashkobranyo Chivhayo appears alongside Ramaphosa during mnangagwa farm visit. Reverse subscribe or like on the bell icon. The image, which is circulated widely on social media, shows Chivhayo in close proximity to Ramaphosa and Zimbabwean President Emmerson Mnangagwa at Mnangagwa's private farm. The visit described by officials as a brother-to-brother engagement rather than a formal state visit. Also included prominent figures such as Minister Daniel Ngarwe and businessman KUTYA. In the photograph, Mnangagwa is seen engaging warmly with his guests, while Chivhayo stands nearby among senior officials and security personnel, underscoring the continued proximity to influential political circles. Chivhayo's presence in such high-level settings is not new. Over years, he has frequently been pictured alongside Mnangagwa and other regional leaders, fueling debate about his political connections and influence. His association with the political elite dates back to the post-2017 period following the 2017 Zimbabwe military intervention, which ushered Mnangagwa into power. Despite facing allegations of corruption and controversy linked to government contracts, particularly in the energy sector, Chivhayo has maintained visibility within elite political networks. His repeated appearances in official and semi-official settings with the heads of state have raised questions about the intersection of business and politics in Zimbabwe. The latest image with the Ramaphosa adds to a growing catalogue of photographs that position Chivhayo within the inner circles of power, both domestically and regionally. Doma developments and the same Chivhayo and companies ake they are entangled in South Africa and awards the corruption high level and high payment deals. The same individual that president of that country. Renda comment section of subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.